In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Discord update failed error so that you can get back online fast. If this video does help you out though, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick tech fixes. This error can be very frustrating since it does stop you from using Discord entirely. Here's how you could fix it. Begin by clicking the search bar at the bottom of your screen and typing in Task Manager and opening it up. In the search bar up at the very top, go ahead and type in Discord just like so, and then hit enter. And you should see Discord is running, whether it's in the background or just the app itself is running. Go ahead and click on it. And then up at the top where it says in task, go ahead and select that. If you spot any background Discord tasks as well, make sure that you do in those. But then after doing so, try and reopen up Discord to see if it updates successfully. If that worked, great. If not, don't worry, there's another step. Back in the search bar down here, go ahead and type in remove programs just like so and hit enter. And then once this opens up at the very top, go ahead and search for Discord as well. And you should see something like this. Go ahead and click on these three dots and hit uninstall. You will have to confirm this one more time by hitting uninstall again. But after doing so, go ahead and open up your web browser and search up Discord just like so. And then type in download at the very end. And click on this top link just like so and download for Windows. And that should solve the problem. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.